case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1908 Supreme Court case of Loewe v. Lawlor, the central issue revolved around the legality of businesses conspiring to prevent others from engaging in trade across state lines. The plaintiffs, involved in fur hat manufacturing, accused the defendants of attempting to force them to unionize their workers using intimidation, threats, and boycotts. The motivation behind the defendants' actions was to control labor employment and factory operations, as well as to damage the plaintiffs' property and business while restraining interstate commerce. The plaintiffs sought damages of approximately $80,000 and filed a complaint under the Antitrust Act. Initially, the lower court dismissed the case, but it was then brought to the Circuit Court of Appeals, which requested the Supreme Court's opinion on whether the plaintiffs could maintain their action under the Antitrust Act. Upon review, the Supreme Court found that the lower court had erred in sustaining the demurrer to the complaint. As a result, the Supreme Court reversed the judgment and remanded the case with instructions to proceed accordingly. This decision emphasized the federal government's power to regulate interstate commerce and prevent any obstructions that may hinder the flow of trade across state lines.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.